Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete a Likee account. So if you want to delete your Likee account, first of all open up your Likee application, and after opening your Likee application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on your profile icon, tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, tap on account, and then here you can see delete account. Just tap on the delete account option. So after tapping on delete account, it will ask you please verify your linked account. So just tap on verify and continue, and then tap on continue again. And now you have to just check the option which is on the bottom. So check this option and then tap on delete. And now tap on confirm delete. And after doing that, you can see you have successfully deleted your Likee account. So this is how you delete your Likee account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.